welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to make for you authentic Jamaican scotch bonnet pickle. So this is very simple. You just need a few ingredients: carrot, onion, garlic optional, pimento seed, and of course the authentic scotch bonnet pepper. You can pick up your scotch bonnet pepper in your local grocery store or stores that specialize in Caribbean or African food. Now this is me doing a smell test. Now I do this just to identify the real hot scotch bonnet pepper because it has a distinct flavor to it, like a distinct scent. So me testing, yep, good to go. Now here I am, I'm going to wash these peppers and I'm about to chop them, dice them, whatever you care to do. Okay guys, just a reminder to wear protective gears, your gloves, your mask when handling hot peppers and onion. This prevents irritation. You can chop peppers any size you like. Right here, I'm just cutting these in small pieces. So I'll be using a mason jar to store my pickle. So go ahead and add an onion, carrot, clove of garlic, and add my peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few pimento seeds. So I'm making 2 jars of pickles. This typically lasts me months, depending on what I cook throughout the days, because I use pepper in everything. Call me crazy, but I do. So here I'm going to add vinegar. 1 equal part of vinegar and 1 equal part of warm water. Vinegar's acidity acts as a natural preservative, preventing spoilage and extending the shelf life of the pickled peppers. I added 2 teaspoons of salt and white sugar, which was not shown in this video. I will drop the ingredients in my description box below. So there you have it guys, quick and simple, authentic Jamaican scotch bonnet pickle. As always, thank you all for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.